All right, plan for today is we are going to change the ignition switch in this truck and change the locks on it, because this truck only came with one key and we have a Rec 7.3 that has 4. So instead of just getting more keys made, which doesn't cost too much, we're just going to change all the locks. And after that, we were going to put different rims on this. Unfortunately, the nuts for those rims aren't gonna work. So unfortunately, we can't do that today. But first thing you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to disconnect your batteries. And removing ignition switch isn't too hard. So there's a hole down here, right about there. That guy. So you want to stick a screwdriver in there. Usually a small screwdriver will do. And they just come right out. So, and next, we're going to take off these door panels. There's one screw right here, and of course there's one right there. And then we just got, all you have to do if you have window crankers on it, you just have to pop off this plastic, and then there's a pretty sure a Torx head underneath there. So we should be all right. I might have to get a magnet because I dropped the screw. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get a magnet, and then where's my flathead? All you gotta do is for these is just pop the plastic cover off. Okay. And then yeah, there's like probably like a T15 or T20 in there. So I'll go get some tools and so yeah, this Torx head in here is a T20. I'll try not to lose a screw. Should pop right off. And then this just, oh, I forgot to take this off. Let's see here. Then there's a nut down there. And oh, looks like the top one might be broken. Oh no, we're fine. We're fine. So, pretty sure they're like a 13 mil. So, pretty sure that's what they are. 13 looks a little big, doesn't it? Oh, we'll see. Maybe they're just a 12. Yes. there's no way they're 13. There's that one. And then the other one's right there. There we go. And there's that one. And then you just kind of a little bit. Yeah, to get these off, usually you have to take this bar off first just by moving the handle around and repositioning it to get this rod off, and then you can usually just pick up on it and this one will come off, so not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, well, we're actually gonna go out and to the Rec 7.3 and get the other locks now, and I guess we'll meet you out there, but just wanted to see how cold she was. She's all right. She's not too unhappy. So, yeah. I guess she ain't too cold out today, though. All right, well, we'll meet you guys out there. Our handles are still minty. A lot of shit in this one. Said that there should be, yeah, there is. Okay, so I'm gonna get my tools, remove this, and then I'll meet you guys back at home. All right, we're back. Just open up the garage here. So shouldn't actually go too bad. This guy should just really go right in there. Shouldn't be a problem. So maybe I'll clean her up a little bit though before I stick her in there. Wrong one. Oops. There we go. Have to get up on the seat. Well, we fixed this truck yesterday, so let's see how cold she is.
Oh, crap.
So it's probably gonna be pretty cold yet. Recycle one more. probably start plugging these in, huh? There we go. You're the old pig for me. Well, I think that's gonna be for today. I mean, it's not too hard to put this shit back together, so. Alright, you guys have a good one.